Hello friends, welcome to today's video. This is one of those better late than never moments. I received this Ipsy package about a little less than a week ago, probably last Wednesday, and I'm filming this on Monday. However, I was doing exams Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and 2 of them on Saturday. So I have not had the opportunity to open this, to film. And now that it's done, I think this is a nice little present to myself for finishing my exams. This feels like a small envelope, and I do know already what the bag in here looks like because I've seen some other thumbnails of people who are opening theirs. I don't know what I hope to get in my Ipsy. I mean, it's always fun if I get like a lip product or skincare type items, or masks are always fun. You don't get to do like a long-term test with them, but they're fun to play around with. So yeah, I guess I'm hoping for, I don't know, maybe a cool mascara sample, lipstick sample, maybe some kind of like skincare or mask things. Those are always really fun to get. So let's tear this open and get into it. Yep, it's a little bag with little lemons on it. I actually think this is very cute. So nice and springy, which is perfect for this time of year. And I like that instead of being the zipper on top, it's sort of on the side this time. It looks very much like a pencil case, so maybe that's what I'll use it for. So let's zip open and start with our first of 6 samples, which first thing I touched was a squeezy tube, so I'm gonna guess this is skincare of some kind. Let's check it out. Yes, Apto Skincare. I've never heard of the brand Apto. It's a blue spirulina nourishing mask. It is for dry skin types, which is fine. I can always use, I wouldn't say my skin is extraordinarily dry, but I can always use more moisture on it. A wholesome formula to treat your skin to that extra dose of hydration that helps prevent signs of redness and dullness. A perfect match for dry skin types, squalene to improve elasticity, and blue spirulina to promote the growth of new healthy cells. That sounds perfect, and this sounds like a perfect mask to try out in the video. So I am happy with that first item. I will just put it back there in the background. What do we have next? A tubey kind of thing. Mascara or lip product? Ooh, it's from the Balm. Creamy lip stain. Okay. And this looks like it's specifically made or packaged up for Ipsy because it does have a little Ipsy website thing on there. The Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain, Stain and Shine. Does it say what color this is in? It does not appear to, so let's take a look. Ooh, that looks right up my alley. That's like a nice pink mauve kind of color. I love those kinds of colors. And the fact that it's a lip stain, that makes me think it's going to be maybe long lasting, but without being like drying on the lips. So that is very cool. Is it just me, or I took this out and my first thought when I just caught a glimpse of the little face on here was of the girl from Bob's Burgers, which is not, but there you go. It is a woman saying salut. So 2 out of 2, those are pretty good so far. What do we got next? Another tube. Is it more skincare? Oh, it's from Pearlesse. Oh, it's another mask. Okay, this is a watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Gently resurfaces skin smoothing, boosts radiance. All skin types, and it's watermelon, which I said. That looks very cute. That's awesome. I can also use energizing masks because my skin, I have a high coverage foundation on right now. But my skin has broken out so much in the last week, I think just because of stress. I have one big sort of pimple just right in the curve of my nose and just a bunch of other little outbreaks or breakouts. Outbreak sounds a lot more like over the top than it really is. I've just had a few more pimples and my skin hasn't been playing along because I've been stressed. So awesome. This is another thing that we can test out together. What else? I've got another squeezy tube and then another thing that maybe feels like a mascara. Let's go for the mascara-y feeling thing. Ooh, it's a Buxom lash mascara. I don't think I've ever tried a product from Buxom before, and I feel like I've heard good things about their mascara. That's a nice little sample. It tells me absolutely nothing about what it's supposed to do, just that it is a mascara. Mascara, mascara, mascara. Can they say mascara any more times on there? That's a lot of things just saying it's mascara. Awesome, I am always up for a new mascara. And let's see what the very last item is. Another squeezy tube. Ooh, Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Okay, so obviously this is a takeoff on their Shape Tape, and I guess they're not calling it Face Tape anymore because that was the one they had all the issues with. But I feel like there's another foundation they have now. But a hydrating primer. I am always up for a hydrating primer, and I've never tried a primer, I don't believe, from Tarte. So overall, considering I said what would be ideal for me is skincare, maybe mascara, and lip products, I got like exactly what I wanted. This is a really good Ipsy bag for me. I have a couple of masks to try out. That's awesome. I have a lip product that is a color that I think I will like. I have a mascara and I have a primer to try. This is just awesome possum, best case scenario from an Ipsy. I am super happy with this. This feels very much like a nice present reward for after exams. And I believe now on the card, they do tell us more about the products. Oh, maybe not. I guess they stopped doing that. Let's see if there was a theme this month. This was now in season, Fresh Spring Beauty. Hey there, wildflower. We planted your April glam bag with all the seeds you need to bloom this month, like superfood infused formulas, plant-based products, and juicy rich hues. Head to ipsy.com/glambag for tutorials, videos, and tons more on your 5 products. Get any glam bag product you want, build your dream bag every month on the 2nd, starting at 6 a.m. PST. You'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe sample of first-size products you like. Mark your calendar to create your ultimate beauty stash. I believe those are the add-ons you need to pay extra for. But yeah, as I said, very happy with this month. This is awesome. So I would love to hear if you get Ipsy, if you also got an awesome bag this month. Let me know all of that down below. I do try to respond to every comment that I get. I have not been great at it over the last couple of weeks. I will try to catch up on it soon, but I do love getting your comments, hearing your feedback, seeing what products you're excited about, in subscription bags or just out there in the world in general. That is all from me. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have watched the video this far and you've liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.